Reasons not to make video for your business, number 13. I don't know if I should make landscape or portrait videos. Now that's a really good reason, but an easy one to overcome. If you've put in the work at the beginning, like I say you should, and really got to understand your audience, then you will know where they are, because that's where you need to be posting videos. You need to take your videos to where your audience are so they can find them. And where those audience are will then tell you what format you should be shooting video in. So for example, if your audience is on TikTok, portrait. If your audience likes watching reels or stories, portrait. If your audience is on LinkedIn, landscape. And if your audience is on YouTube, well, if you're making YouTube shorts, then portrait. And if you're making standard YouTube videos, then it really needs to be in landscape format.